What is up, my Fix Maker family? Welcome back to today's Halloween makeup tutorial. In today's Halloween makeup tutorial, we're going over this jack-o'-lantern type makeup tutorial. So if you want to learn how to recreate this, continue watching. If you have not already, please hit subscribe and just give this video a big thumbs up. Otherwise, let's go right now. Alright, so starting off with a live cast or a mannequin head, you want to put a good layer of liquid latex down over top of this and just make sure it's really good and thick. Now we're going to take some cotton balls and we're going to unroll them. And we're going to need a lot of liquid latex. So get you some liquid latex. So start unrolling your cotton balls and start sculpting and building it up layer by layer. Looking at a reference photo or just going by however you want to do your own carved jack-o'-lantern. So we just unroll them and we peel them apart and we put little layer by little layer until we build it up like this. This is just my way of doing a jack-o'-lantern. It's quick and easy, so yeah. And this is what mine looks like. Kind of bumpy, but it's okay because I like texture. Alright, so after it's dried for 24 hours, it should look like this yellow color. And then we can start painting. So painting with some acrylic paints and liquid latex. We're going to go in with the shade Pumpkin Orange, and we're really going to just cover a whole prosthetic in this pumpkin orange to have a nice base color. You can also go in with any other colors you want to as well, but I want this kind of look realistic. So we're going to go in with a base color, and then now we're going to take some foundation and we're going to put foundation over top of this to make it look like human skin. So just squirt some on there and then take a beauty blender and we're going to start pouncing and beating this out over top of the orange. And when you're done, it should look like kind of like human skin, like your actual skin. So that's what we're going for. You could also do this with scar wax. You can build this up on your face with scar wax instead of making a prosthetic. After that has dried, it should look more like this yellow skin tone. Now we're going to go in with some fake blood, and we're just going to put fake blood around the eyes, around the nose, and around the mouth. You can go as crazy as you want to, or just go crazy a little bit later on, because a little bit later on we're going to be adding more blood. Next, we're going to cut out the eyeballs, the nose, and the mouth, and this is what it should look like. Now just use some scissors. Alright, so getting started into the makeup, you want to put your hair back if you have long hair. If not, then don't worry about this. Alright, so taking your prosthetic, you want to put it on your face. So taking some liquid latex or Prozade, I'm going to be using liquid latex. And we're going to stick this on our forehead and on our cheeks and just around our face. Do not get it inside your hair because it will not come out. So block them out if you have to with Vaseline. I'm just putting a good layer down. Alright, so now put some liquid latex inside of your prosthetic and make sure you get the edges really nice and good because that's what's going to be blending to your skin and holding it on. Alright, so let that dry, Now, after it's dry, you can put it together because it's going to be tacky on both ends and it should stick nice and well. Hold it there for a few seconds and then you're good to go. So taking some liquid latex, we're going to blend this to our skin. Even though we have rough edges, it's still going to be fine. So just blend it to your skin and yeah, go ham. Go to town. Alright, so while that is drying, we're going to go color in our eye sockets, our nose, and our mouth with some either water-activated body paint or cream body paints or grease body paints. Whichever ones you want to do, you just color it in red. Like I'm doing a blood red shade. I can't even get that out of my mouth. But yeah, a blood red shade, and we're just going to fill it all in. And then, after we get it all filled in, we're going to go around the outside edges of our nose, mouth, and eyes. We want to paint that red also. Even though we already laid down a layer of blood, but you can see that has already dried. So just go around with a layer of body paint and kind of recarve it out. Make it more bloody. Alright, so now taking the foundation, and we're going to blend this to our skin. Also, we're going to bring it on our skin and also down on the prosthetic so it covers up more of the orangey yellow and it blends to our skin more. That's what we're doing here. You can use whatever foundation? You can use whatever foundation brand you want to. I just found this, it was cheap, it was easy, and I grabbed it. Alright, so taking some fake blood again, use whatever fake blood you want, and you want to start making this bloody. So put the blood all inside your eyes, all inside your nose, all inside your mouth, the outside of your eyes, the outside of your nose, the outside of your mouth. You can even sprinkle this splatter on your face, your prosthetics, whatever you want to do. Also, I did not show this, but I also made it run down my neck because I like that effect better, but I did not show me doing that. But you will see that in the intro. It's running down my neck, so you can do that if you want to. Alright, so this is the final look. So I hope y'all guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please hit subscribe if you're not already and give it a like. And also, happy Halloween, and I'll see y'all guys later. Alright, bye everyone. Stay safe.